morning. It was actually a long night. I slept 9 hours with waking up in the middle of the night a few times, but it was okay. A little bit cold outside, but in the sleeping bag was okay. So now I need to pack everything and move on. Oh, that's nice. Yesterday in clouds, today nice forest track and really nice sounds of birds and rivers, so it's really peaceful. I like it. From the forest into desert. That's how they call it, so let's see. The next hut on the way. Today I'm going up there. I can see a lot of people already up there, so it's really famous track, Tangariro crossing. So I will join the track after I get up there. That is so nice. It's so beautiful. Look at these colors. Unbelievable. I just get to the Tangariro Alpine crossing, so a lot of people here. They say it's the most beautiful one-day hike you can do. So let's go first, right to see Blue Lake and then up there.